Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and right now I'm using the front-facing camera on my Huawei P60 Pro. So in this video, I just want to show you guys some of the photo and video quality from this device, and you can decide for yourself if it's something you're even considering picking up. Once again, Huawei used to be one of the top brands 4 or 5 years ago before the US put the ban on them. And one of the other reasons that I didn't explain why I got this phone as well is because it's more accessible to get parts to repair if something happens to it. There's a bunch of these Huawei phones here. There's actually a Huawei repair shop here in Colombia, South America. Versus in the US, I'm so used to getting US phones from Apple, Samsung, and Pixel because I prefer Pixel. I prefer Apple and Pixel. I'm still going to use my Apple products here. I'm still going to get a new iPhone. But when it comes to Android, I prefer Pixel. Now, even though they have Samsungs here, I still would rather have something else other than Samsung. It's just my personal choice. So I'm thinking of using Huawei for now. I may go try Honor, Vivo, or maybe the new Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, I believe is what it's called. But for right now, Huawei seems to be doing pretty good. As I show you guys photos and videos and things that we did today using this device the whole day. But yeah, I'm just trying to make a decision on it, and I want to share what I'm doing with the phone and see what you guys think and give your opinion. So far though, I do like the photos that I see coming from this device. It's not the Pixel. I'm used to more contrast style with the Pixel. Even with the iPhone, when you put the vivid colors on, it's a little bit more saturated than what these are. And I know you can change it to vivid, which is what I've already done, because this is saturated, but not as much as the Pixel, not as much contrast style as the Pixel. But the overall noise reduction, you can see that, and these are very clean photos that I'm putting out. So I am impressed with that. It will just take a little bit of getting used to. And I do like the manual aperture that you have where you can control how much bokeh or blur that you want to put on here. And a lot of the same little things that you can do on the Pixel, just playing around with this device, I found you can do with this device as well. You have Magic Eraser on here as well. You have the ability to correct some blurred photos. You have the ability to make frames. There's a lot of different things that you can do. You just have to dig through the menu and figure it out like you would on any other device. But so far, so good with the Huawei. Again, this is straight from the Huawei camera. Not changing or enhancing anything. This is how the microphone sounds. This is me using false light, artificial light. I shouldn't say false light, artificial light. I have one light on each side of me that I'm using right now. And this is what it's producing. Now I got the one light all the way down because I am a little bit overexposed. At least it looks that way to me as I'm looking at it in the viewfinder here. But this is as low as I can get it without it looking overexposed, which I still am. I probably should have did it manually. But this is how people are going to use it in auto. Just like a regular consumer, which is what I am. I'm a regular consumer. I'm a novice when it comes to this stuff. I'm not a pro photographer or a hobbyist. I'm a novice. So I just want to give it to you straight. If somebody just picks this up, put it in auto mode, turns it on, and this is what they're going to get. But anyway, though, guys, hopefully with the video quality that you guys have seen, as well as the photos, let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you think this is a good device compared to some of the Pixel videos I've been putting out recently? So I am going to spend an entire day making just one complete video. I just did snippets in this video today, but there's going to be one day I'm going to spend one entire day filming like I did with the Pixel, like I did with the Z Flip 4, and a couple of other devices that I have on here. It's just going to be all Huawei one day, and I'll probably use it a little bit with my DJI Gimbal 4, or I may just use it all handheld. That's probably what I'll do, just to see how good the stabilization is. I'll just do the whole video handheld without even using any kind of cell phone gimbal. But that's it for now, guys. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.